The first thing we're going to do is cheat a little bit. By looking at the inside of the trim when it's off, it makes it infinitely easier to remove your trim. So at the top you have this pull tab. It's a push-pull connection, and then the bottom two slide in. You can see there's this plastic groove, and then on the door there's this metal piece, and it slides in and out like that. So again, the metal piece connects to the door, slides in and out on the bottom two connections, and the top is a push-pull connection. Step 2 is really simple. Go ahead and pop the airbag tab at the top of the trim with a flathead screwdriver, and then pull it out as much as you can. Again, the goal is to release that pushed-in clip. On some models, the airbag trim piece will come all the way out and expose a T30 screw. Now that you have the upper portion of the A-pillar disconnected, the next step is to remove the bottom two, the middle and the bottom. The easiest way to do this, because the A-pillar kind of sits in a little bit, is to remove these pieces and push up just a little bit, or move about 2 inches. Once it's unseated, then you can just pull up and out to remove the A-pillar trim. When reinstalling, it's easiest to take the metal connectors off the door and slide them in the trim. This is me taking the metal connectors off, slide it in the trim. Then go ahead and take the A-pillar trim and push it down, seating it, and then once it's seated, you can kind of push everything into the door and then ultimately push your pop tab in at the top. Replace your trim pieces and you're good to go.